right, first up, we're getting a breaking update of a latest tweet that has been posted by actor Kangana Ranaut, where she goes on to mention a day after when she claimed that she is receiving threats from the Shiv Sena, saying that Sanjay Raut had asked her not to return to Mumbai. The Bollywood actor has now tweeted, and I quote, "I see many people are threatening me not to come back to Mumbai, so I have decided to travel to Mumbai this coming week. On the 9th of September, I will post the time when I land at the Mumbai airport." That's the tweet on the left of your screen. So where she has posted saying that she will be coming to Mumbai no matter what, and daring anyone, if anyone can stop her from coming to Mumbai. Going across to Piyush for more on this, because this is now Kangana's direct dare at the Sena and those other lobbies who has been working on an overdrive, Piyush, to not let Kangana come back to Mumbai at all. And we have seen how she has been continuously attacked on social media.
Well, absolutely, a lobby in Mumbai and across, at many other places, they were attacking Kangana Ranaut, and now for the first time she has tweeted on this, where she said that she is coming to Mumbai on September 9th, and she has also dared people to stop her. And that's the tweet. Remember that after the kind of row which took place between Kangana Ranaut and Sanjay Raut, when she had also, attacked Mumbai police, she was basically saying that, she wanted more security. And looking at that, after that, Sanjay Raut had also come out and said that complete security is given to Kangana Ranaut, and he had actually targeted Kangana Ranaut. And now she has come out and she has tweeted by saying that she is reaching Mumbai on September 9th, and she has dared anyone to come and say anything to us. And that's the tweet. And if I may quote, she goes on to say, "I see many people are threatening me not to come to Mumbai, so I've decided to travel to Mumbai this coming week on 9th September. I will post a time when I land at the Mumbai airport." And she's also goes on to dare people to attack us, and who were threatening us. So that's the tweet which has been done by Kangana Ranaut. Remember that this row is going on for the last many days, when Sanjay Raut had also attacked Kangana Ranaut, and this row between Shiv Sena and Kangana Ranaut began since the time Kangana tweeted about the kind of threats which she was receiving. Now we'll have to see how the Mumbai police is going to step up its deployment when Kangana Ranaut comes, because she has now threatened, she has now dared people who are threatening her.
Of course, because Piyush, at this time and the kind of questions that has Kangana been raising time and again, and she has been direct. There has been a no-holds-barred attack that she has been making ever since, and quite jittery it is making some people, because she has been taking their names, and this is something that many of those people, especially the lobby there, cannot digest that fact, and that is how those open attacks that have come, that have been directed towards Kangana now.
Well, you would remember, Amita, that since the time she spoke about the kind of murder theory in Sushant Singh case, she is being continuously getting threatening messages and calls. Like, she herself is claiming that she is being threatened. She had also said that a lobby is after her. She a couple of days back had tweeted about the fact that a lobby is threatening her. Now after that, for the first time she has posted a tweet in which she has made it very clear that she will be reaching Mumbai on September 9th, and she has dared people to do anything the day she lands. She is also saying that she will post the timings when her flight is landing at Mumbai airport. So this is going to be another massive controversy, because Sanjay Raut had also attacked Kangana Ranaut, and we have seen that since the time she spoke about the drug angle, she spoke about the murder theory in Sushant Singh Rajput case, she is being continuously targeted by a lobby.
All right, thanks very much, Piyush, for joining in. So Kangana, who has been in Manali for the last few months, saying that now she will come back to Mumbai, and she is planning to return on the 9th of September, and she is daring anyone to stop her if they can, for she will return to Mumbai on the 9th of September.